How to set limit order on Uniswap. In order to do it, you first need to come to uniswap.org, and here you need to connect your wallet with it. Now you can connect any of the wallets of your choice. It can be Trust wallet, it can be MetaMask wallet, or even a Coinbase wallet. After the successful connection of your wallet with Uniswap, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner of the screen and tap on the pool option. Over here, select the new position option, and here you need to select a pair. So by default it will take Ethereum, but if you want to change it, then you can definitely go ahead and change this. But for this video I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to select a different token, let's say AVE token. Then it will show you the tier fees, so you can even edit it if you want to. Now you can set the price, that can be the low price, and then you need to set the high price. After that you need to enter the deposit amount, and it will show you the equivalent amount in the form of token that you have selected. After filling these details, you just have to simply tap on the enter pool, and this way you will be able to set your limit order on Uniswap. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.